Whew. Wow! Kit, what can you say about the natural bridge?
Well, it's natural.
Is it so natural?
Yes, it's like a bridge.
That's why it's called Natural
Natural
Bridge. How about you, Joella?
Oh, just like a London bridge.
Is it falling down?
Yeah, it's falling down and up.
Nice kay siya.
Alam mo,
Magugat! Picture me. Joel! Joel, picture me.
Hello? Nice looking.
Uy, nice kay siya. Di ko wako ka-expect na maka-appreciate ko. Promise. This is so amazing. Uy, dako mo ni siya kaayo, no? Ay, gamay ra siya.